Today I am sharing with you a product that sells all year round, but especially sells well during the holiday season. Personalized blankets. These products are crushing it on Etsy and other e-commerce platforms right now. Also, while we're at it, if you didn't even set up your print-on-demand Etsy shop yet, in the description below, I will also link my free print-on-demand to freedom course. It's going to help you start an Etsy shop, help you sign up on Printify, sync the two together, and get your first listings up as soon as today. I wanted to dive right into the proof that blankets are selling extremely well on Etsy. This is monthly revenue for these blankets. This one right here has a total of 39,580 sales. That's insane. And the listing age has only been up for 14 months. This one has only been up for 6 months, and it's made over 3,000 sales, estimated to bring in this amount this month. So as you can see, these are in high demand, especially this time of year. Blankets that are doing especially well are personalized blankets. So here is for children, the personalized name blanket. We have custom photo blankets. Here is a set. Now this is an example of a blanket for a baby. However, you could bundle the listing and sell a hat that matches along with it. Custom pet blankets are insanely huge on Etsy. Here is a woven blanket, which I'm about to show you within Printify. And then there are these silly, well, I think they're kind of silly, but super comfortable, I'm sure, hooded blankets. And as you can see, people are charging a decent amount for these, $96, $68. And when I show you in Printify, you'll understand why these prices are so high. But people are purchasing these because it's a unique gift, especially if you're adding personalization to it. People are willing to pay a higher price point for that. And the best part is that you don't need to make these blankets yourself. Printify has a bunch of different types of blankets to offer. I'm going to show you right now my favorite ones. So within Printify, you're going to go to the search and type in blankets. And initially you'll see many variations appear, which could be overwhelming, which is why I'm going to break it down for you and show you my favorite blankets right now. So first, let's talk about the baby blankets. These are probably the biggest sellers on Etsy for blankets, while maybe you can hear my baby crying in the background with my husband. Perfect timing. So we have this baby swaddle blanket here, which is $17.59. It's pretty pricey, right? But right underneath is a blanket that's just as good, in my opinion. It's a soft fleece baby blanket, and this is $8.28. So mind you though that these prices are Printify Premium, so they are discounted prices. If you want to give Printify Premium a try, you can click the link in my description below for your first free month with code Jenny. But anyways, let's click into soft fleece baby blanket. This is from Printed Mint. Price $8.28. Shipping from $7.09. Average production time is 2 days, which is pretty great. You can do all over print on this product. Here is an example. Here is another example. These are super soft and really great quality. The next trendy moneymaker on Etsy is this woven blanket. So this is, as you can see, $19.77 and about $10 for shipping. It seems a bit pricey. However, you can price these much higher on Etsy so that you can get a higher profit margin. People are willing to pay the price, especially if it's a personalized gift. So don't let this price scare you. You can actually make a really decent profit margin on these. The third trendy blanket product are these hooded blankets. Now, these are very pricey. However, like I said, people are willing to buy them, especially if they are personalized, so you can make your prices higher on Etsy. This one ships from the United States, so the shipping is a little bit less than the next one I'm going to show you. It's $12. And then the one that I'm going to show you next is, this one comes from China. So the price is cheaper. It's $23, and then the shipping is $23. This one is overall cheaper than the other one. However, if I'm shipping like to customers in the States, I like to try to find providers that are within the states. That's just personal preference. So this is definitely an option. I'm not saying that they're going to fly off the shelves. It is definitely a higher price point, but I think it's a trendy enough product, and coupled with personalization, you can make some sales on these, especially during the holiday season. And then of course, you can take your time to go through. There are many different like throw blankets and other fleece blankets. You don't have to do the ones that I showed you. I'm just showing you the ones that are trending the most now on these e-commerce sites. All kinds of blankets are selling on Etsy. It doesn't have to be personalized. However, I find that the personalized listings for this product sell much more than just a regular blanket. If you're going to make blankets that aren't personalized, make sure that you're niching down so that you can stand out among the other Etsy sellers that are also selling blankets. If you're interested in a full blanket tutorial to sell in your Etsy print-on-demand shops, in the comment section below, type in blankets, and if I get a good amount of them, I will surely make you all a tutorial so that you can easily and effortlessly start selling these in your shops too.